Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be trying to recreate this particular look that's been provided by Mamonde Malaysia using some of their new makeup. However, this particular look actually seems like they have some mascara on. I mean, this particular picture, but in the set itself, I don't think that they have mascara, so I'll just be following the instructions that they have given. Pretty much just foundation, eyeshadow, blusher, and also lips. Alright, which is my favorite kind of makeup look in general. So this is pretty much the box that they have provided with all of the items inside. There's ribbons, very nicely packed lah, okay? I don't know if I've actually taken a video of it, which I doubt. But anyway, it comes with 4 lip products, 3 blushes, and 1 foundation. And for the foundation, I am in the shade of 21N. The bottle looks extremely good, and of course, we will be starting with this. The Mamonde All Stay Foundation Glow comes with a pump, which is great. I love it. It's very hygienic. And the foundation itself seems very liquidy. This is pretty much how I like to apply my foundation, with my hands. Basically, I haven't been using foundation for a very long time because, you know, work from home and stuff like that. But I like to dot it around my face and then just use my fingers, rub it all over my face. While testing out this foundation, I definitely do see that the foundation kind of catches on my dry patches a little bit. I mean, could be just my skin was drier that particular day, so highly recommend to really do the proper prep before using this foundation. I mean, it's not a bad foundation. It's quite alright. It's quite nice. It's actually quite light, more towards the natural route. Then I just picked up a regular face puff that used for compact foundation and pretty much just pat it all over my face because I felt like it kind of need a little bit more blending rather than just using my fingers. I do realize that it doesn't transfer too much onto the puff, which is a great thing. Then don't forget to actually apply some on the neck as well so that it blends well into your chest area. The Mamonde new launches doesn't come with a brow product, I believe. I think so, at least according to a press release. But here am I just doing brows with my own product basically. Next up, we have the Mamonde Flower Pop Blusher. I love this. This is in 02. It is so pretty. The packaging, the product itself. I mean, who want to touch this blusher? Look at that. How gorgeous the packaging is. This color is also very pretty. So I'll be using this for my eyes as well for my cheeks. That's as per instructions. So let's just start by taking a fluffy brush and apply it all over the lids. I absolutely love this method of applying eyeshadow because it gives a very simple light wash of color over the eyes, and then when you want to, take a little bit more and then darken it up over the outer corner of the eyes to create a little bit more of a dimension for your eyes, so it doesn't look so flat lah, basically, you know. Now let's take a bigger brush, which is the blush brush, to apply the same color on our cheeks. Apply however you want it. I just like to go over the cheeks and also a little bit on the temples and also a little bit on the nose area as well. Basically the nose bridging, like connecting all of them together to make it a more cute look, and I feel like that kind of look kind of fits my personality better. That's just me, so just do it however you like it and however suits your face. Alright, personally I really like this method also, where you use the same color for your blush and also your eyes, because this kind of give you like that kind of monochromatic look. But in order to make sure that you don't look flat, it's just to really add on like a pop of color at a specific areas. For example, if let's say like your cheeks, just apply a little bit more on the apple of your cheeks just to give more dimension, and also for the eyes, as what we mentioned just now, just apply a little bit more towards the outer corner of your eyes to create dimension for the eyes. And there you go. This is the finished look for the cheeks and also the eyes. Next up, we are going to use the Mamonde Creamy Tint Color Balm Glide. This one is in 08 Blooming Pop. It's definitely a very sleek and very thin type of lip product. I personally really like this because this kind of like crayon type of lip product is usually very creamy, and also the colors are pigmented. However, you can also kind of fade it out a little bit more because of the texture and the way the product is basically. So I love those kind of like faded look on the lips. I don't like that full on bright colors on the lips. It depends on what you want, so you can actually do it however you want. You want it to be like super bright, you can also do that, but for me, I like to use my fingers to kind of fade it out a little bit to make it look a little bit more natural on the lips. So this is how the color looks like on my lips. Definitely very pink, very young, very girly, very princessy, just a very nice lip color overall. Here I've decided to kind of give my lashes a little bit of a curl just to see if I can replicate the look a little bit more, which I doubt. It kind of helps. I mean, at least it makes my eyes look a little bit bigger without mascara. I mean, just curling your lashes itself will help. And then I kind of fix my hair a little bit, just look a little bit more presentable. Hopefully not quite, but yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.